Fact is, 90% of car owners don't know how to change a tire.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you follow our channel, last time we had a race between a metro and a car. But today we're having a race of a different kind. We're going to see who changes the tire the fastest.
Yeah, so we have two cars. Of course, one is
An old car,
old
Indian
Toyota
car.
car. What's the name of your car?
Toyota Camry.
This is the i20N line. Are you ready for it?
Let's go.
Okay, yes. What do you think? If I win, what am I getting? Or
I
if
think-
you win, what do you think you should
I
get?
think the wager for last time was breakfast, so we can
You
do
want
that
to
again.
keep the same?
Double or nothing. Breakfast.
Double or nothing? Now, when was the last time you changed a car?
Probably
Tire.
a year ago.
I haven't changed a tire in a long time.
I think my tires are older than his car. So my car is a 2012 Toyota Camry, and the issue is that now this car is super old. My jack is super old, and it's a fairly new car, so he has a competitive edge. Given that I have a heavier tire, a bigger tire, and more lug nuts, it's going to be a problem.
Okay, guys, this is a Hyundai i20N line 2025 model. The way I see it, I think it's beneficial. I call dips because firstly, the tires are lighter, of course, looking at me and looking at Yash.
Alright guys, so the rules of the contest are very simple. You have to start with opening the boot, taking out the tire, taking out all the jack and other equipment that you need. You need to come, set it up, replace the tire,
That's what she said.
and after that you need to take all the equipment, put it back including that tire, fasten it tightly back like how it was, and the person who does that first wins. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's go.
Let's go, bro.
Let's go.
Sale locked. Fuck, I didn't see it.
You guys can talk while you're doing it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, yes. कहाँ पहुँचा तू? How's it going for you?
Going great. There is just one thing, guys. I'll tell Aniket to be a little careful because the floor is not straight, so it'll be an issue.
I'm nowhere as of now.
Yes, there you go. That seems to be having some trouble here.
No.
Yash, I can give you a hint. You're doing it wrong. You need to use your legs, bro.
No.
There you go. The second bolt comes off. Yes, it does for the i20.
Got it.
Guys, you can talk, huh?
We're kind of busy here. I mean, it's
It's a nice overcast day in Bombay, but it is super humid. So the guys are sweating like crazy. Yash is completely at it. Look at him. पूरा लेट गया है जमीन पे.
क्या करूँ?
Yash का jack already. Yash का jack almost set up हो गया है, but the bolts are not yet off. Yash is setting the jack.
You don't have to put the bolts off to take
Okay, so
it.
that's your technique. You do you, bro. Okay, the last bolt comes off the i20 inline tire. Yes, it's loosening it. You can see that. Just now setting up the jack. Car is moving up.
I mean, yeah. I think I need one more. There's one more bolt to go.
But Yash is not. Yash another technique use कर रहा है. I'm not going to tell you what to do.
I can't see.
Yeah. Have a look.
I think it's fine.
Yash bro, what's your technique?
You actually loosen the nugs.
Have you loosened all of them?
Yeah.
Okay, so the car is going up. Yash is a little ahead. Yes, I can see the car moving up. Come on, Yash. Aniket's he's using all the bolts and now he's fitting the jack. Guys, just make sure that the surface is even when you're putting the jack up. How's it, boys? On a nice
All good.
day?
The issue is that jack's old.
Yeah, Aniket's jack seems to be moving faster. He's also got some technique to turn it around faster. Yeah, that's doing it. Yeah, now, there you go. Yash has got momentum. He's moving forward. The tire is already up in the air. Yash is now loosening the bolts. what she said again. Okay, there you go. The first tire is off. The I-20 tire is completely off. Just is trying to take the bolts off. Amazing. Unmatchable. Is the jack safe?
Yeah.
Okay. Careful, careful. Yes, there you go. Very good.
It's sealed shut.
I'm sure he has some lubricant.
Careful. Okay, the I-20s. There you go. Good job, bro.
It's not still not coming out.
There you go. The tires off finally. Exactly. Come on. It is quite through the process.
Oh,
Remember, you have to do the whole process. It needs to be written correctly. On here. Where are you? How are you, bro?
Done almost.
I think I'm there.
Not yet. Oh, okay. Alright. Aniket. Not bad at all.
I'm done.
Not yet, bro. We need to put everything back.
The jack is not going down, bro.
You're doing it from the wrong side. Yeah.
Perfect.
Then I was doing it before also.
It'll go.
A few moments later.
Fair tire is completely flat.
Oh, fuck.
Just leave the jack. Leave the jack there. Just leave the jack.
You'll have to change it again, bro.
Oh fuck yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to change it again.
That's why.
Come together, guys. Come together. Lovely.
Sure, bro.
Super.
I feel
First,
bad for this.
let me show them the condition of your clothes. Yash, 100 marks for effort, bro. You really gave it everything.
I have a lot of things against me.
It's fine.
but-
I just realized I have to also change the alloy cover.
Tiring for sure.
You have 4 nuts, bro.
I've never done this I've not done it in a long time, but imagine, like, still, one nut is not going to make that much of a difference over here.
I think we should try to see who can.
Why don't you do it? Bro, this was a challenge. I'm done with it. The thing is, we've not done this in a long time. I'm sure
Yeah.
even Yash hasn't.
Vinay,
Even
yeah.
I haven't. I had a faint idea of, how to change it because I'd done it 8 years ago, not done it lately. But
For me, it's all about
yeah,
using strength.
this is how your hands are.
You have a lot of strength to change, especially here.
But then, which is why you had Camry to work on.
Fact is, 90% of car owners don't know how to change a tire.
Yeah, they don't.
They don't.
Not everyone does.
Surprising, isn't it?
Just guys, lube your parts.
Lube your nuts.
Lube
your
your
nuts.
nuts.
Things will get easier. And
Lube your parts before
keep
you
an eye
use
that your spare tire is also punctured, so that if you change it in terms of an emergency, you'll have a punctured tire again.
What does this tell you? It tells you to maintain your tires properly. Don't take them for granted. जिस दिन लगने वाली होती है उस दिन
Yeah.
लग जाती है.
Correct. Alright guys, this is the end of the video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. You can see Yash and Aniket are still at it because we need to change the flat tire back to the original one so we can get out of here. It's a nice, warm, humid day in Bombay, and this video took a lot of effort out of us, so please do show some love on the video. You can also follow us on Motorbikes, Motorcars, both on Instagram and on YouTube. And keep watching our channel for more such content, and also leave us some interesting topics that you would want us to cover. We'll see you in the next one. See you.